What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Day Show, back with mukbang part 4. I know y'all been in the comment section be like, I be like, some of y'all be like, hey, what happened to the mukbang videos? Yeah, I'm back. I'm back, baby. What y'all got? Y'all don't got nothing on me. This what we got. We got beefy patties.
Are you serious, bro?
We got cabbage, curry cabbage. Man, what y'all do? Man, I finna.
This nigga only uses his mom.
I got a YouTube account.
What y'all do? Man, I wanna eat this, cause they always be on that.
You're embarrassing yourself, bro.
Eat that.
The patty.
Nigga, I'm back with another mukbang.
Bro, you're dead ass
It's always
embarrassing.
be acting with a video.
People looking at you, bro.
And stop cussing. Before I really don't be on YouTube anyway.
YouTube, man.
Hey, if y'all give me to 1 million subscribers, I will do a giveaway. 1 million. 1 million subscribers, I'll do a giveaway. If y'all don't believe me, I will do it. I'm doing a giveaway on like laptop, phones, whatever y'all want. What the fuck? I'm not doing this Cash App stuff because I don't even got Cash App. We got some applesauce. I probably will eat this when I get home. Milk. Okay. Because this food be dry as heck. So you probably wondering what I'm eating. I'm eating curry cabbage. Okay. Do I got any subscribers from Jamaica? Because right now I'm half Jamaican, so yeah. My Jamaican subscriber. Yeah, I think I'm actually. Y'all the realest.
What, bro?
Alright, YouTube, I'm closing out. And goodbye.